Hi everybody and welcome to Friday, October 1st. It's the start of spooky season, folks. Okay, for today we got quite a bit to work on. We've got a fun Friday activity, so let's get into it. Okay, for our do now, you had your 30-day writing challenge, day 24. I'll go over it in a moment. You had your TOSO's character analysis check, so I collected your steel packets and your character analysis packets. Those were due. Done. You got a homework card if you did not have your steel or your character analysis check. Make sure to get that into me by Monday, though. Okay. Then, you guys took your other side of the sky test. I had you guys take this quiz on StudySync. You all took it during class. You guys had about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll talk about it in a second. And then lastly, for our Fun Friday activity, you guys had a character analysis activity planned. Your homework is your other side of the sky summaries, which I have talked to about in all of your classes. They are due Tuesday. We will not be having classes Monday. Monday will be parent conferences, okay? So if you have an F in this or any of your other classes, you will be meeting with your teachers in order to discuss this, okay? All right, new seats are coming up soon, so just keep an eye out for that, folks. Okay, let's get into it. Your 30-day writing challenge, today is day 24. I want you to describe a dream or a nightmare that you once had, spooky. How did you feel afterwards? Okay, so you're going to write about that. Then you took I collected your steel packets and your characterization, step 1 through 5. Your other side of the sky test, you took 15 minutes, you completed it. You can access the test on Google Classroom or through StudySync. I left you the link. Do not rush through the test. You've got this, okay? So that was up and there for you. Then, for your Fun Friday activity, I had you guys actually go ahead, actually before we get to that, let me get to the summary, which is going to be homework for you guys. So, you're going to go straight down, you're going to go TOSO summary right here, okay? You're going to go ahead and open up the summary. The summary is when a reader retells the main events from the story they read, okay? A reader should write what happened in sequential order. A detailed summary gives main events and shows how characters felt and acted. Okay, here's your summary criteria. I wrote my summary in my own words. I rewrote the events in order. I included some details about the characters' feelings or actions, which you have a whole steel page on. I included some details about the setting. I included some details through the problem or solution. You are going to then use your word bank. First, next, then, last, before, meanwhile, suddenly, before they know it, all of a sudden. And you're going to type your summary right here. Please delete right here where it says type here. Please delete that, okay? I'm going to leave it up, but please make sure to delete that. Then you're going to type up your entire summary here, making sure that you're using all the transitions in the word banks. I have additional directions right here. Use these resources from this column to help you write your summary. Ask yourself if you've met all the bullet points from the summary criteria and use the transitions from the word banks, okay? This is, you're just rewriting the other side of the sky. You're summarizing the story for us. Okay, so that is what we did. Additionally, we had our Fun Friday activity. Afterwards, that's your homework for this weekend. Again, I'm going to check for it on Tuesday. For your Fun Friday activity, I had you guys steal a character. Using the character picture in front of you, you guys created a mini steal sheet describing a character. Again, this is non-graded, but I wanted to see how you guys are able to create steal sheets based on an image or a characteristic of an individual, okay? You had 5 minutes to describe how this character spoke, what they think about, what are their effects and actions. I mean, you know what they look like, okay? After 5 minutes, you guys joined a town hall meeting where we had some mischievous ne'er-do-wells have joined our class, and you guys were able to find out who they were. I had some rules about our cards, about our roles, about our steal sheets, and then you guys came to our town hall party, okay? All right, so that is all that we did on Fridays, October 1st. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. And other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.